I've been flying now for over 30 years and instructing for a bit over 10 years. Some of the common issues I see with both experienced and non-experienced pilots in and around non-controlled aerodromes is making too many radio calls, not making enough radio calls, or just making the wrong radio call.
A full stop at the holding point and have a really, which is 2 solid yellow lines and 2 broken yellow lines, looking out for any aircraft that might be landing the opposite direction as well in light winds. No aircraft, and giving our entering with intentions calls because it's cloud traffic. Flying 7788, entering runway 23 and departing upwind to the southeast on climb 1500 Caloundra.
Remember, this is only a basic summary. Now let's go and look at some basic scenarios in relation to non-controlled aerodromes and radio calls in the air.
So basically our call is for here inbound, we'll be listening on the radio. Caloundra traffic, Sling 7788 is at Roy's Orchard 1500. Inbound, inbound, circuit time 08, Caloundra.
Okay. Caloundra traffic, Sling 7788 is Roy's Orchard 1500 inbound. Time to circuit will be 08, Caloundra.
What you'll find is that students, once they get their license and they're not doing a lot of dual, when they're, for instance, building up their command time, they'll end up doing more and more radio calls, or they'll go the other way and they won't make enough radio calls.
Right.
So we want to make sure that we want to make the correct radio calls,
Yep.
not too many, where you're going to clog up the radio waves, or not enough, so other aircraft don't know what you're doing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great.
Okay.
Good landing, by the way.